Hi friends, welcome to Top Tucker Tech News. This news we have here is MITV launch. The MITV Lux Transparent Edition has been announced by Xiaomi for the Chinese market. Xiaomi is calling it the world's first mass-produced transparent TV that is a mixture of cutting-edge display and execute industrial design. It comes with a full HD OLED panel which has high refresh rate and color accuracy. The MITV Lux Transparent Edition has a narrow bezel on the top and the sides with a large chin that sits on top of the circular base that houses the electronic and speakers. So it comes roughly around 5.37 lakhs in India and it may be launched from August 16th. The next news is from Redmi. Redmi K30 Ultra has availed as a latest offering from Xiaomi. This new model will sit alongside the already launched Redmi K30, Redmi K30 Pro and Redmi K30 Pro Zoom editions. The Redmi K30 Ultra has a 120Hz AMOLED display and is powered by a MediaTek processor. The other three Redmi K30 series variants are all equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. The Redmi K30 Pro and Redmi K30 Pro Zoom editions powered by the latest Snapdragon 865. The Redmi K30 Ultra is also equipped with dual stereo speakers and has a quad camera setup that features a 64 megapixel main sensor. The Redmi K30 Ultra is priced around 21,500 in India for a 6GB and 128 storage option. There is other option for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage which cost you around 23,600. The other variant it costs 26,800 with the 8GB Radiant and 256GB. Google's Android phones on Tuesday started detecting earthquakes around the world to provide data that could eventually give billions of users precise seconds of warning of a tremor nearby, with an alerting feature first rolling out in California. Japan, Mexico, and California already used land-based sensors to generate warnings, aiming to cut injuries and property damage by giving people further away from the epicenter of an earthquake seconds to protect themselves before the shaking starts. If Google approaches for detecting and alerting prove effectiveness, warnings would reach more people, including for the first time Indonesia and other developing countries with a few traditional sensors. Seismology experts consulted by Google said turning smartphones into mini seismographs marked as a major advancement, despite the inevitability and enormous alerts from work in progress and the reliance on a private company's algorithm for public safety. More than 2.5 billion devices, including some tablets, run Google's Android operating system. We are on a path of delivering earthquake alerts wherever there are smartphones, said Richard Allen, director of University of California. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.